The airport, in my opinion, is a significant component of the economic development of Ashtabula County. It was built approximately 50 years ago through the vision of Robert Morrison. It's an asset that the county basically has bought and paid for. There's approximately 600 acres there. It's got a 5,000-foot, 100-foot wide runway. It's basically jet capable, and without it, it would really inhibit the people that we're trying to attract to Ashtabula County in terms of corporate employers.
From the pilot side, the airport is a great place to be based out of. We've got a long runway. It's 5,200 feet, 100 feet wide. We've got great instrument approaches to the airport. We've also got an arsenal of snow fighting equipment, and the staff does a really nice job keeping the airport open through the winter months.
We produce parts for the automotive, the truck industry, wind energy industry, and a variety of other markets that utilize composites. We have about 400 teammates working here in Ashtabula, and being a manufacturer, it's challenging these days. We have to have competitive advantage over other manufacturers, be they domestic or international, and certainly having a good airport as the Northeast Ohio Regional Airport is very, very important to us, and I can't imagine operating this business the way we do without it. In selecting an area, wherever we are, we operate in 10 different states, and one of the things that's very important to us is to have a good regional airport accessible to our place of business. General aviation is extremely important for business. It's a very effective business tool for us to get out and see our plants, our customers, our suppliers, and also for our customers and suppliers to get here into the region very easily. Where you have good general aviation spurs business.
From an economic development standpoint, I know that I personally have flown out of this airport to go visit, whether it be another state or for a dinner or for a business meeting, but also different corporations that have businesses here, whether it be financial institutions or manufacturing. It's great for their board members, for customers, for other service providers to be able to arrive right here at the airport and be at their destination in a few minutes.
Well, one of the neat things about general aviation is from our viewpoint as Ashtabula County, when tourism comes into play, we've always focused on moms and minivans. The neat thing about general aviation is they bring a whole different dynamic of traveler. We have the opportunity to attract people that would literally be too far for a day trip in a day's time. It takes us all the way out to the East Coast and all the way to the Mississippi River to bring them into our area to experience steelhead fishing, our winery tours, our wonderful boutique shopping. Obviously, Lake Erie is a huge draw for us, so really some of those components that we've always focused on in tourism, there's a whole new opportunity and a whole new scope of resources and support that we can garner from the general aviation populace.
The Ashtabula Aviation Trust was founded by members of the community who really care about the growth of the region. And we were especially proud as the Cleveland Foundation to be able to partner and have Ashtabula Aviation Trust as one of our donor partners. There are companies that could not exist without access to an airport in Ashtabula County. There are certainly down the line, there's some fantastic things happening in the county right now, but without that airport to serve as a hub and a drawing point, those just aren't going to get off the ground.
We're based here in Ashtabula. At one time we had an office in Atlanta, Georgia. We roughly have around 40 full-time people here in the office and in the shop. Total about 150 to 160 people. Quite frankly, without having a plane and being able to get there to that customer, about half the jobs that we get we wouldn't even try and get. It would just be too difficult to get there and service them. So without the plane, I say that there would be a lot of people that wouldn't be working, for sure.
You know, one of the interesting things that takes place with myself as a county commissioner is people frequently will say to me, well, gee, isn't the airport authority just kind of a plaything for the rich guys? And I say, well, no, because when you look at the companies that use this, they're the people who are the job producers here. It's the people, you know, like Ron Clutter and his organization out at Spire. You know, I mean, here is going to be a national organization and facility where people are going to be in here all of the time. And when you look at the number of people that are employed there now and are going to continue to be employed there, it's an amazing number of jobs. And this airport is going to be a major contributor in all of that job development.
Having the Northeast Ohio Regional Airport here in such close proximity to Spire is just an unbelievable coup for us. As we've got all these major events, there's certainly going to be an awful lot of these teams and folks coming in. We've already seen it happen in a number of cases, both with private jets as well as commercial, coming here with the teams as well as with athletes that are coming from all over the world and all over the country. It's a part of what's really helped us sell these events to these major championships. The Big Ten, the Big East, NAIA, NCAA are not coming to a location that doesn't have the kind of airport that we have nearby, and it's really important to have those kind of things and be able to say that. In addition, there are an awful lot of folks that have their children coming here that do fly privately, and it's important to be able to tell them right down the road, we've got this wonderful airport that they can fly right into. A week ago, we had just that gentleman coming in with his daughter, wanted to stop here for half an hour before he headed to the Bridgestone Invitational, came in, took a tour, and that young lady will be coming here in the fall. And had it not been available to him or us, not quite sure it would have gone exactly the way we wanted it to. It wouldn't have been as successful. He now knows every time he wants to come visit his daughter, it's a hop, skip, and a jump from his house, and it's really close to Spire. So that's been really a big part of how we've been able to sell these events, both on a regional and a national level.